Number 1, which expression can be used to find the nth term in the following arithmetic sequence, where n represents a number's position in the sequence? So all we need to do is take position 1 and substitute it into the answer choices to see which one returns a value of 4. So obviously A can't be the correct answer because 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's do answer choice B. 2 times position 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2, which equals 4. So B may be the correct answer. Let's substitute a different position number into the rule. Let's substitute position 2. So 2 times position 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 2, which is 6. And that's the term value that we're looking for position 2. So the correct answer is B, number 2. Let's create a table. So the negative 4 is in position 1, negative 8 is in position 2, and so on. Let's substitute the position numbers into the rules. Negative 4 times position 1 equals negative 4. So far it checks out okay. Let's plug in position 2. Negative 4 times position 2 equals negative 8. So correct answer is A. Number 3. So if you look at the answer choices, you have an arithmetic sequence. So negative zeros, well, there's no such thing as negative 0, but 0's in position 1, negative 2's in position 2, negative 4's in position 3. And so here's our rule. So we need to substitute, let's substitute position 1 into the rule. We get negative 2 minus 2, which equals negative 4. The only answer choice with negative 4 in position 1 is C. Number 4. Now we're dealing in decimals. So let's substitute position 1 in for answer choice A. We get 1 minus 0.25, which equals 0.75. So far A checks out, but let's try position 2. 2 minus 0.25 equals 1.75, but we're looking for 1 in position 2, so it can't be A. It can't be B because when we substitute position 1 in for N, you get 1/2 for position 1, and we're looking for 0.75. Let's try answer choice C. We have 1 plus 2, which equals 3/4, which equals 0.75. So far C checks out okay. Let's plug in position 2 into the answer choice. 2 plus 2 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 4, which is 1. So it checks out. Answer choice C is the correct answer. Next question. So we have decimals again as our term values. Let's plug in position 1 into answer choice A. We get 3/10, which is the same thing as 0.3. Let's plug in position 2. We get 3 times position 2, which is 6/10, which is the same thing as 0.6. So we're not looking for 0.6 in position 2. We want 0.4, so it can't be A. Let's try, let's see. It can't be B because when you plug in position 1, you get 1/5, which is the same thing as 0.2. Let's try answer choice C. Let's plug in position 1. You get 2/10. Right? 2 over 10 equals 2/10. So it can't be answer choice C because we want 3/10 in position 1. So it has to be answer choice D. Number 2. Let's plug in position 1 to see if we get 1/2. Well, let's see. I know that we do get 1/2. Let's plug in position 2 to see if we get 3/4. No, we don't. So when you plug in position 2 into answer choice A, you get 2 over 2, which is 1, and we're looking for 3/4 in position 2. Let's try position 2 for answer choice B. 2 minus 1/2 equals 1 and 1/2. So again, for position 2, we want 3/4, so it can't be B. Let's see. Let's try answer choice C. Plug in position 2, you get 2 plus 1 divided by 4, which equals 3/4. So far that checks out. That's what we're looking for position 2. Let's try position 3. So 3 plus 1 divided by 4 equals 4/4, which also equals 1. So the correct answer is C. Next one. Let's see, plug in position 1 for answer choice A, you get 6. Okay, we're looking for 6. Let's plug in position 2, you get 7. We want 11, so it can't be A. Let's plug in position 2 into answer choice B. We get 10, so it can't be answer choice B. Again, we're looking for 11 in position 2. So 2 times position 2 gives us 9, so it has to be answer choice D. Number 4, which shows the 19th figure in the pattern. So let's see, we start with a shaded square and a shaded circle, and the next time we get to a shaded square and a shaded circle would be in figure 5. So figure 20 is going to look like this, right? If you continue the pattern every 5, it looks like this. So figure 19 will look like this, which is answer choice C. Number 5, plug in answer choices again, or plug in positions into the answer choices. So position 1 gives us 5, position 2 gives us 10, so it can't be A. Plug in position 2, you get 2 plus 3 is 5. We're looking for an 8 in position 2. Okay, plug in position 2 into answer choice C. You get 8. Let's plug in position 1. Whoops, 2 equals 5, so the correct answer is C. Number 6. When you plug in position 1, you get 3/4, which is the same thing as 0.75. When you plug in position 2, you get 6/4, which is the same thing as 1 1/2. Okay, so it looks like the correct answer is going to be A. Let's plug in position 3. So 3 times 3 is 9/4, which can simplify to 2 1/4. And that's what we're looking for in position 3. So the correct answer is A. Number 7, so we can create a table again. Position 1, position 2, position 3, and so on. Let's plug in our positions. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. Okay, so far it checks out. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. It doesn't check out for position 2, so it can't be answer choice A. Let's plug in position 2 here. 2 times position 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. We're looking for a 9 in position 2. 4 times position 2 is 8, plus 1 gives us 9. Okay, it checks out. Let's try position 1. 4 times position 1 plus 1 gives us 5. It checks out. Okay, so the correct answer is C. And same thing for this problem. Let's create a table. Position 1, position 2, position 3. Plug in position 1, we get 3, so it can't be answer choice A because we're looking for -5 in position 1. Let's plug in position 1 into this rule. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 5 is -5, so far B checks out. Let's try position 2. 2 times 2 minus 7 equals 4 minus 7, which equals -3. And that's what we're looking for in position 2, so the correct answer is B. Number 9, create a table. 1, 2, 3. Let's plug in position numbers into the rule. Plug in position 1, -2 times 1 plus 1 equals -2 plus 1, which equals -1. That's what we're looking for position 1. Let's plug in position 2. -2 times 2 plus 1 equals -4 plus 1, which is -3. Okay, so correct answer is A, because those are the term values that we're looking for the first two positions. Last problem, number 10. Let's substitute position 1. 2 times 1 is 2, which is 2/5. And I can multiply by 2 to get 4/10, which equals 0.4. So A checks out. Let's plug in one more position. Let's plug in position 2. I get 2 times 2 divided by 5 equals 4/5. So it can't be A, and we'll come back to this in just a minute.